Starting from the least light and going up, these are the top 5 houseplants we suggest. The ZZ plant. This has got to be the classic low light houseplant. For anyone who says they're a bad houseplant parent and always forget to water their plants, this is the plant for you. It does really well in low light. It does really well with low water. It's just a overall happy, healthy plant, and it looks really good. This is actually the Raven variety, so it has some black leaves and some greens. Next up, I'm sure you guessed it, it is the Sansevieria. Technically a Dracena, but we still call it a Sansevieria. This is the snake plant. You know about it. Water it maybe once a month. It doesn't need a lot of light. Such a happy, healthy plant. We have this one and we have this behemoth. They're just such great statement pieces. The Sansevieria is one of our favorites. Coming in number 3, I don't have one with me, but I'll put a picture right here, is the Spathiphyllum. The Peacelily, one of the best air purifying plants that's in the NASA Clean Air Study. Most of these plants are, but it rates the top of air purifying qualities, and it really needs not a lot of light. Great plant, super easy to care for, expresses when it needs water, just an overall fabulous plant. Okay, number 4, the Aglaonema, the Chinese evergreen. This plant is super easy to care for. We've had this one maybe for 4 or 5 years. It's died back and came back many times. Low light, you can prune it back. Also an air purifier, adds humidity to the air. Just a great all-around plant. This is another Chinese evergreen. We've kept this above our fridge in our kitchen. It really gets like no light at all. Really happy still. One of my favorite plants, low maintenance. And finally, the Dracena, low maintenance plant, can be pruned up really easily. Doesn't need a lot of water, doesn't need a lot of light. It's no mistake that all of these plants we have in our house, because these are some of our favorite low maintenance, low light, typically low water. You can't really go wrong with these. Thanks for watching today. Check us out next Saturday for another video.